Hey guys, I'm Sam. What we're going to learn today is how to use programming to use the color sensor of the EV3. First step is to open the Mindstorm program on our computer, and let's go to Open Recent and My First Program. This is an easy way to access your previous files, and if you've been following my previous videos, you'll know that I've named my first program, My First Program, all caps, because why not? After we open our program, let's make a new one. It's called Program 2, but we want to name it My First Color, as in color sensor, because that's what we're learning today. And as you can see, I'm naming it My First Color, and I accidentally called it My First V Color, but that's okay. Let's close that little screen on the top right, and now you can see we have more space on our screen to program, because programming is cool. Let's just stick with that. Alright. Right now we want our brick, our color sensor, our wire that connects our color sensor to our brick, as well as the USB that connects our little brick to our computer. As per usual, let's connect our brick to our computer so we can actually download stuff into it. Our next step is to connect our color sensor to the brick, and we do this through the number ports and not the letter ports. Yup, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not A, B, C, or D, because those are for the motors. For now, let's put it into 1. Right now, we want to turn on our main EV3 brick and make sure to wait a bit. When it starts up, it will make this little sound, and that's when we know that the EV3 brick has already turned on. You can see on this bottom right screen that it's connected. Right now what we need is the loop, and the name is actually pretty self-explanatory. It's basically a loop that loops all the programs inside the loop block. Right now we want to use the sound block, and this is all for demonstration. Eventually we will learn a more practical way to use our loop and sound blocks as well as our color sensors. Let's randomly select some sounds for our sound blocks, and let's do it the same as our last video. A dog bark as well as a rattlesnake rattle. Exciting rattle. Whoa. Right now it's on unlimited loop, which makes it keep looping and looping and looping until it turns off because low battery, or if we cancel it. But right now we want to use our color sensor and go to color. Yep, as you can see, this motion will take us to the color sensor that measures the color. Essentially, what this means is when we want it to stop, we will use the color sensor to measure a certain color. And now we got 8 colors, or actually 7 colors and a no color. But we don't want red right now. We want it to go to black. So essentially what this means is when the color sensor senses a black color, it will stop the loop. Now we want to download it into our robot. And once you hear the song, or the sound, this means that the program has already downloaded into the brick. Let's try it out. For now, let's go to my first program and my first color, because that is our latest and greatest program. Let's play it. You can hear the sounds playing when you don't have the color sensor placed on black. But when we actually place it on the black color, the sensor will stop. This means we have succeeded, because we are programming geniuses. Alright guys, and now we can turn off our brick. And look, it's the iconic Spinny Spin by 6th grade me. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to sub to my channel where it's hella educational. Yup. Thank you very much.